In maternal and child health, and this is very, very important for the country to know because of the story that was going on over this weekend. Let me read the record straight. The Inua Jamii program, which has replaced the other one, which everybody knows, supported 627,155 safe deliveries, including 41,000 for teenage mothers. And Excellency, let me make it also very clear that teenage mothers, wherever they are in our country, they have a direct access to health care paid by the government of Kenya through the Social Health Authority. This is offering both integrated maternal and newborn services with financial protection to their families. In fact, they are being paid for